Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix your controller not charging in rest mode. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys want to do is head over to settings. From settings go down to system, and then from system go all the way down to power saving. From here click on features available in rest mode, and then from here you want to click on supply power to USB ports. Make sure it is either on 3 hours or always. If you turn it off, then the controller will absolutely not charge during rest mode. So once you either select 3 hours or always, you should be good to go. But then again, if that also if you still feel like it's not charging, the second thing you can do is make sure that your controller or the USB port is fine. There's nothing broken, there's no issues, and yeah, so go ahead and just fix that. And then the third thing you guys can do is simply just restart your PlayStation. So you can do that by going over to the power, turning it off, unplugging all the wires out of the PlayStation, and then waiting 30 seconds to a minute, replug them in, and then check to see if that fixes well. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.